everyone. In today's video, let us learn how to measure or monitor at major test points of Computer SMPS unit. Objectives. At the end of this video, you will be able to: Number 1. Prepare the Computer SMPS unit for voltage measurements. Number 2. Measure or monitor voltages at various test points of the SMPS unit. Let us collect the tools and equipment required to do this practical. Computer SMPS working 1 number. Trainees toolkit 1 set. Digital multimeter with probes 1 number. Aids. Chart showing various voltages of connects in SMPS unit of PC 1 number. Computer power code 1 number. Hookup wire as required. First, let us carry out the safety precautions before doing this practical. Number 1. Keep the place dry and clean. Number 2. Make sure you conduct this test on a table with yourself standing on a rubber mat or any insulated material to avoid static electricity destroying the computer peripherals. Procedure. Task 1. Preparation of Computer SMPS unit for voltage measurements. Step 1. Remove the SMPS from the computer cabinet by follow the procedure. 1. Open the computer cabinet cover by removing the door screws. 2. Identify the location of wires with color codes coming out of SMPS unit. 3. Note down the connections of SMPS going to various sections of motherboard and other devices inside the CPU. Put tags with label for each connector. 4. Remove or unplug the connectors from HDD, DVD, fan and motherboard carefully. 5. Unscrew the fixing screws and remove the SMPS unit from the CPU cabinet and open it. Step 2. Identify the green color wire power good signal test point from the bunch of wires on the 24-pin Molex connector as shown. Step 3. Use a piece of hookup wire, bend it as U-shape. Connect it across the green and black wire terminals as shown. Step 4. Connect the power cord to the SMPS unit and switch on power. Step 5. Observe the fan is running to confirm the working of SMPS unit. Step 6. Remove the hookup wire and reinsert if the fan is not rotating. Task 2. Measurement or monitoring voltages at various test points. Step 1. Set your multimeter to the AC voltage range appropriate for the voltage level you expect to measure. For standard household sockets, select a range higher than 240 volts. Step 2. Insert the red test lead into the voltage resistance milliamps port for measuring voltage. Insert the black test lead, common or negative lead, into a common port on your multimeter. Step 3. Plug the SMPS input power cord into the 3-pin socket of the 240 volt AC power supply and then turn on the switch. Step 4. Turn on your multimeter and hold the test lead securely in place of the power cord. Ensure that the probes are making good contact with the metal contacts inside the socket. Read and record the voltage displayed on the multimeter screen in the tabulation. Serial number 1. Parameter to measure phase to neutral. Voltage AC 230 volt. Remarks. 2. Phase to earth 230 volt. 3. Neutral to earth 5 volt. Step 5. Switch off supply and plug the mains cord into the SMPS unit and select the P4 power cable connector used for CPU cooler fan. Task 3. Let us discuss the different color codes used in SMPS. Using colored wire helps ensure that the correct connections are made during installation or maintenance, reducing the risk of electrical hazards such as short circuits or incorrect voltage connections. Serial number 1. Color red. Description: it is used to provide the stated voltage. 2. Yellow. It is used for motor running. 3. White and blue. It is used for backward compatibility. 4. Black. It is used for grounding purposes. 5. Orange. It is used to provide the stated voltage. 6. Green. It is used for power supply in ATX, Advanced Technology Extended. 7. Gray. It is used for power good, self-test, OK, signal in ATX. 8. Purple. It is used to provide plus 5 volts whenever the PSU is powered, even when the green wire is not connected to the ground. Stand by. Let us look at the voltage level of different colors in different SMPS units. Serial number 1. Colors. Red. Advanced Technology plus 5 volts. Advanced Technology Extended plus 5 volt. Balanced Technology Extended plus 5 volt. Number 2. Yellow. Plus 12 volt. Plus 12 volt. Plus 12 volt. Number 3. Blue. Minus 12 volt. Minus 12 volt. Minus 12 volt. Number 4. White. Minus 5 volt. Minus 5 volt. Minus 5 volt. Number 5. Black. 0 volt. 0 volt. 0 volt. Number 6. Orange. Plus 5 volt. Plus 3.3 volt. Plus 3.3 volt. 7. Green. Plus 5 volt. Plus 5 volt. 8. Gray. Plus 5 volt. Plus 5 volt. 9. Purple. Plus 5 volt. Plus 5 volt. Task 4. Let us discuss the pin description of the 24-pin power cable connector and also measure and record the output voltage in the tabulation. Step 1. Set your multimeter to the DC voltage range appropriate for the output voltage level you expect to measure in SMPS unit. Step 2. Switch on SMPS supply and measure the DC voltage across the 24-pin power connector. Step 3. Turn on your multimeter and set it to the DC voltage measurement mode. Select a voltage range appropriate for the expected voltage levels into your system. Step 4. Locate the ground reference point in the connector. In most cases, ground pins are labeled as GND or COM, common. You can also identify the ground by its OV potential with respect to other pins. Step 5. Take the black probe, negative, and connect it to the ground pin. Then, take the red probe, positive, and touch it to the pin you want to measure the voltage of. Step 6. Refer to the chart showing voltages at various test points on power cable connector and record the observations. This is the connector that goes to the motherboard to provide it with power. This connector is the largest of all the connectors. Serial number 1. Wire color, orange. Description, plus 3.3 VDC. Measured voltage. Number 2. Orange, plus 3.3 VDC. 3. Black. Ground. 4. Red, plus 5 VDC. 5. Black. Ground. 6. Red, plus 5 VDC. 7. Black. Ground. 8. Gray, power good. 9. Purple, plus 5 VDC standby. 10. Yellow, plus 12 VDC. 11. Yellow, plus 12 VDC. 12. Orange, plus 3.3 VDC. 13. Orange, plus 3.3 VDC. 14. Blue, minus 12 VDC. 15. Black. Ground. 16. Green. Power supply on. 17. Black. Ground. 18. Black. Ground. 19. Black. Ground. 20. White. 5 VDC. Optional. Removed. In ATX. 12 volt. V 2.01. 21. Red. plus 5 VDC. 22. Red plus 5 VDC. 23. Red plus 5 VDC. 24. Black. Ground. Recap. In this video, we have learned to number 1. Prepare of a computer SMPS unit for voltage measurements. Number 2. Measure or monitor of voltages at various test points. Number 3. Different color codes used in SMPS. Number 4. Pin description of the 24-pin power cable connector.